All right, so here we are on the formula sheet for this topic. And the purpose of this is just to have all of your formulas in one place so you can look at them while you're working on your classwork or your entrance slips. Okay, so just kind of a way to get organized. So area of a circle, this is one of the ones we've been talking about. Area of a circle is A equals pi r squared. And if it helps, remember this would be your r. R is only half of the distance across the circle. Okay. Circumference is, there's two versions. There's C equals 2 pi r, or you can have C equals pi d. Okay. Remember, all the way across the circle, this would be the diameter d. Right? Area of a rectangle. Hopefully we all know this one, but just in case, area of a rectangle is the length times the width. You could do it either way. You could say that this is the length, this is the width, or you could have them flipped because you can multiply in any order and the order doesn't matter. Okay, area of a triangle is the base times the height divided by 2. Okay, remember, the base is, imagine like, what you could hold in the palm of your hand. This would be the base. This would be the height. Now with a triangle like this on the left, this would be the base, and the height would be whatever kind of got drawn in. And it's always what the two sides that form a right angle. Okay, so we never use the other side that's called the hypotenuse in a right triangle. Okay, we only use the base and the height. Area of a parallelogram is just the base times the height. Okay, this would be your base down here. Height would be how tall it is. So again, if you were to draw it in, it would make a right angle. That would be the height. And then the area of a trapezoid. So a trapezoid is kind of the oddest one, I think, because it can look like so many different things. So that's why we put the 3 pictures on here. So this would be so the area is the height times base 1 plus base 2, all of this divided by 2. Okay, so height, again, is if you like drew it in, this would be your height. Now, the base 1 and base 2 could be either way because you can add in any order. So you could say this would be base 1, this would be base 2. Okay, on the middle one, you could say like this is base 1, this is base 2. Your height would go like this. That would be your height. Okay. And then this one, technically, like these would be your bases and base 2, and then this would be your height. Because remember, if you're on a grid, we can't count diagonal lines, so we don't really use them. Okay, so as long as you've got all this copied on your formula sheet, you are good to go.